Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make an Instant Pot Chicken Alfredo. Get ready, this is an amazingly tasty, low-cost budget meal that you can make in minutes. For these Instant Pot recipes, it's really about the prep work, rounding up all of the ingredients, getting them ready, and then throwing them on in. So we'll start off with 2 chicken breasts, about 650 grams. Cut them up into about 1-inch cubes. If you don't have chicken breasts, that's okay. You can use the thighs, you can use the tenders, just whatever you have, that'll work. Just roughly about a little over a pound. And there you go, that's about the hardest part of this Instant Pot Chicken Alfredo recipe. Break out that Instant Pot, hit that saute function button, and let it do its thing and warm up. While it's warming up, it's a perfect time to season it with a little bit of pepper and a dash of salt. Once it reads hot on the Instant Pot screen, then you're ready to saute. Pour in 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now it's time to add the chicken. You can either put the chicken in batches and try to give it a nice sear, or if you're pressed for time, go ahead, just plop it all in. Grab some tongs or a spatula or some sort of spoon and try to shake up that chicken, move it around. The goal here is to give the chicken a quick saute for about 2 to 3 minutes to get rid of most of the pink. So we're not cooking it through, just giving it a little bit of color. When the majority of the pink is gone, add 3 minced cloves of garlic. Give it a little bit of a whirl and cook it for about 30 seconds and keep an eye on it, try not to burn that garlic. Alright, so perfect, this one pot meal, it's coming together really quickly, so we're doing great. Now we're gonna take that chicken out and we're gonna deglaze the pan. Take 1/4 of a cup of white wine, I'm using Chardonnay, and just pour it on into the Instant Pot. Grab a flat bottom spatula and scrape the bottom of the pan. This will help keep you from getting that dreaded burn error, and it'll add all those bits and pieces to the Alfredo sauce to add flavor. Once the wine is reduced a little bit, to remove that alcohol, add 2 cups of chicken stock. That's about 500 milliliters. And now for a little bit of creaminess, 1 cup of heavy cream. That's about 250 milliliters. Pour it on in. Now it's time to add the pasta. I'm using dry linguine. You can use really any type of noodles that you like, whether you want to use penne pasta or fettuccine. But I'm using 8 ounces or 227 grams of dry linguine. It's easier to crack them in half and then place it in. That way it fits into the Instant Pot a little bit better. And last but not least, it's time to add the chicken that we sauteed earlier. Just throw it on in, kind of spread it around on top of the noodles. Don't mix it in, just kind of spread it around a little bit evenly on the top. Now it's time to cook, so grab that lid, place it onto the Instant Pot, make sure it's in locked position. Make sure the steam release handle is in closed position. Press the pressure cooker function button. Change the time to 6 minutes, make sure it's on high pressure, and let the Instant Pot do its thing. Once the cooking process is over, do a safe, quick release of the pressure. Once the float valve has gone down, you're ready to unlock and open up that Instant Pot to see what's inside. Give everything a quick stir. Now it's time to thicken up that Alfredo sauce. Press the saute function on the Instant Pot. Reduce the liquid down in the Instant Pot for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure to stir occasionally. Then add 1 cup or about 110 grams of grated Parmesan. Give it a little bit of a mix and reduce this down until it's as creamy and rich as you like. Give it a taste, adjust the seasoning, add a little bit of pepper and some salt if necessary. And there you go, a one-pot meal that you can make in minutes. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe on how to make an Instant Pot Chicken Alfredo. If you like this recipe, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to learn more sauce and gravy tips and techniques. And if you like amazingly tasty, low-cost Instant Pot meals, try out this Instant Pot Salisbury steak meatballs recipe, and I'll see you next time.